Alright, we spotted this missile launch happening during this massive storm. So that's the way it is out here. Every time you look around, something's going on. I'm not sure what Air Force base or military base is over that direction. But I recently learned that there is a secret base over this direction that nobody knows about, and some of the locals told me about it, which could explain why a lot of crazy things happen over that direction. You can see the contrail going up. I'm guessing that came out of California. There's a lot of them now in there. Yeah, at first it was just the one lone voice. Now many of them have dug out. So when it was just before dark, we walked over and you could see them swimming around. They're having a good time. It doesn't last long. That will dry up, and they gotta be ready for the next one.